We're going to be able to recover your phone if it has any kind of security measure. This could be a screen lock, a PIN, a pattern, a password, or anything else. Today, in this video tutorial, we'll explain how you can access it without losing any information or deleting anything. We'll explain everything step by step in this video, outlining what we need. Let's see. Well, don't skip ahead in the video tutorial so you don't miss any details and we can solve this recovery problem. We're going to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. We'll press and hold those two buttons. Then, when the phone restarts, we'll release only the power button and continue holding the volume down button. Down, we release it, we press it again. Now we leave it like that, just like that. We're going to wait for the phone to take us directly to the home screen. We keep holding it like that, volume down button. We hold it, now when we get to the home screen. We're going to do the following. Let's go now. We have to do it quickly. Let's do it quickly. We're going to pull down the notifications. It lets us. We go into the little gear that appears here. We scroll down quickly. We scroll down quickly. We go into applications here. We go into applications. It has to be quick. Now we try it again. We have to do it quickly because otherwise our phone will lock up. We try again. We press. We release. We wait for it to show us the logo. We wait for it to show us the logo. Now we press the volume down button. We release. We press it again and now we're going to hold it until it takes us directly to the home screen. Again, this time we have to do it quickly because we didn't do it quickly. So it locked up again. Let's hold it. We'll hold it, and now we're going to turn it off and learn. Now, as we can see, we've enabled this mode. Let's go down, let's go down. Let's go to the little gear here. We can see. Now we're going to look for applications. We'll look for applications here. We'll look for the application that locks our screen, the screen lock, which is what it would be doing here. So we click here on uninstall, ready. Now we're going to restart it again. We restart it. We click on restart, and now when our phone has completely restarted, it will be totally without any screen lock. No PIN, no password. Let's wait for it to take us directly to the home screen, and it will be completely fixed and recovered in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which would be without needing to delete any information we have on our phone. Let's wait here for our phone to start correctly, and now you'll see that it won't be locking. Let's do it. Let's wait here, and that's it.